Welcome back to another vlog. It's Monday. I just got done getting ready because I am about to film myself giving myself curtain bangs. So I cut my bangs last week, but I didn't do a good job like blending them. I just cut my bangs and that was it. So I want to give myself curtain bangs, blend it more. And after watching a few TikToks, I feel like I'm ready to do that. So wish me luck. This is the length right now. I'm not sure if I want to keep the length or go a little bit shorter. I think I'm leaning toward going a little bit shorter just because I want to start styling them with the round brush. And everyone has been loving Sabrina Carpenter's bangs, including me. So I want to try to go for that, but not too short. That's the trick here. I don't want to chop too much off. This is how much I took off my bangs. And then I took some time trying to blend them to my face framing pieces. Now I'm about to blow out my curtain bangs. First I need to add some heat protectant. Am I out of this? I have a curve here which indicates I did something right. Put a large hair roller in and I think this is gonna do the trick. I can't. Hey babe, like my new bangs? You don't like them? It's the new trend. What do we think? It's definitely gonna take a lot of getting used to. I'm excited to see how they're gonna look when I style them curly too, because I think they're gonna look really good. They were curling up really nice when I had them wet, but happy Tuesday. I just unboxed my new SMEG toaster. I have been wanting this for the longest time and I'm so glad I finally got it. She is gorgeous. Look at the old toaster we were using. So this was actually a hand-me-down from one of our friends and we've had it for like a good 5 years. It's giving brave little toaster and this thing is just going in the trash. It served its purpose, but now a moment for the lady. This toaster was expensive, I will say that, and it definitely was a splurge, but I'm gonna get use out of it every day or at least multiple times a week. And I've just seen so many content creators have these. I don't own any SMEG products because they are so expensive. I don't plan on getting anything else SMEG, but this toaster, she's so freaking pretty. I can't stop looking at her. I'm obsessed. I just got done getting ready. I re-wet my hair earlier and styled it. I didn't touch my bangs. I made sure not to mess with them. I just wanted to see how they were gonna look on like day 2. And so far I love it. I feel like I did a really good job. I was a little worried yesterday when I was cutting them that I might have cut them a little bit too short, but so far I love it. And we'll see what I think when my bangs are actually curly in their natural curl form because they're going to be a lot shorter. But I mean, I really wouldn't mind just styling them like this with the round brush once a week, just so they have a little bit more length. And then I feel like I did a pretty good job blending my face framing pieces too because they were a lot longer. I think it looks great. I love it. Right now I'm about to film some content. I was editing some content this morning. I feel like I'm just always filming and editing content these days, but that's the life of a content creator. I got this acrylic fridge calendar in the mail today, so I want to make a video using this. It's going to replace my other one that I have hanging. It's just so old and bulky. I feel like I only change it like every 3 months. It just said January like 2 weeks ago before I changed it to April. So I've been needing to get rid of that. And then I ordered these Kiss press-on nails. These should be coming in the mail anytime now because I just can't bear looking at my nails plain. I just feel like they look so ugly. So I'm holding off on painting them or adding any other gel nail stickers. But I'm not sure when my next paid collab will be. So I don't even know how long I'm going to be able to have these ones on. These are them. They're pink French tips and they have bows on them. I just hope that the bows don't get caught in my hair. I was looking for natural press-on nails and those are the ones that I ended up ordering. But I also really like these ones. These ones are kind of natural. They kind of have like a little gloss or like a glaze on them. So this is my old calendar that I planned on getting rid of. And this is the new one. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I don't think I like it because you can barely see the writing. Like, I'm just so tempted to just kind of throw it away. I'm actually a little upset about it because I was so excited that I didn't expect it to be this crappy. Like, I thought I was gonna love it, and now I'm just a little depressed. Yeah, I just don't know how to feel about this. It's about 6 p.m. We're going to play pickleball. It's a beautiful day. It's like 72 degrees. The parking lot is so full.
Just got lucky.
We're probably gonna have like 20 to 30 minute waits in between games. He has his pickleball shirt on.
Yeah, fair enough.
We just got done playing. We were playing for a good 2 hours and we played 4 games. We won 1. I feel like we're slowly getting better and I'm sweating. The weather was perfect tonight. It felt like a early fall day. And then it started to get a little chilly, so at least it wasn't unbearably hot like it was the other night. Happy Wednesday. I just got to Walmart to pick up our anniversary cake. It's been raining for about an hour now, and I think it's gonna continue raining for another hour or so. I wanted to get content at the park, doing like a cute little picnic vibe with my husband and I with the cake, and I think I'm just gonna have to wait until tomorrow because tomorrow it's looking like it's gonna be sunny. I was thinking like, oh, I want to do it today because today's our anniversary, but if it's just gonna keep raining like this, I think tomorrow is the move. So I think what we're gonna end up doing is probably just going to play pickleball later, and then we'll save the anniversary content for tomorrow because I'm sure you can hear the rain. It's coming down right now. So I'm a little sad about that, but it's gonna be fine. I still need to get a number 2 candle, and maybe if I see anything in there to decorate the cake with, maybe some little white pearls or something. I'm not exactly sure, but for my birthday, if this cake comes out looking good, I wanna do another one and put little bows on it. I was really tempted to put bows on this cake, but I didn't wanna make it too girly. It's our anniversary, it's not my birthday, so I'm trying to chill. All right, it's about an hour later. I'm a little upset. Well, I'm actually kind of pissed, I'm not gonna lie. 2 things. First, because the cake is pathetic. That was my first mistake, was coming to Walmart thinking like it was gonna be fine. And I think the girl in the video said that she came in person with a picture, which like I should have done. I'm pretty sure she said that. Maybe I'm wrong. But regardless, I'm like, it doesn't even look like the picture on the website. It's pathetic. I'm gonna show you. I decided to get the candle here, which was my second mistake. I should have just left and went to Wegmans. But because I got the candle, I had to wait in line, and they only have self-checkout at this Walmart for some reason. I don't know why. It's really freaking weird. But the lines were like going so slow. I was standing in line for like a good 30 minutes and it wasn't moving. Everyone needed something. People were moving so slow. I was trying not to lose it. And I'm sorry, but it was just really ghetto in there. And like, I'm not gonna lie, like I do have some ghetto in me, okay? Ghetto fabulous, but I can't come here again. It's just not gonna happen. I'm like, why did I come here in the first place? I was on the verge of walking out so many times, but I didn't. I tried to remain calm. And even on the way out, the lady was like, wait, I need to see your receipt. What's in the box? And I'm like, it's a cake. Like, chill out. This isn't Costco. But I get it, like they're experiencing a lot of theft, but oh my god, I can't come here anymore. That just settles that. Okay, let me show you the cake. It is so sad. I wanted to try to see if there was like any glitter or like anything I could decorate it with to make it look better. It's just a lost cause, so brace yourself. I got the writing in blue because that was one of our wedding colors. I was gonna do black. Let me just show you. This was like $17. I'm like, I need to try to make this myself. I'm like, I can do this. I can make a cake, right? How hard could it be? Stay tuned for that vlog. Okay. So here's the cake. It looks like a bar mitzvah cake. Like, what is going on with the colors? The Y in the years, it's like they forgot that I asked for cursive and then they just said, fuck it, we'll just make it cursive anyway. It's a $20 cake. What can you expect? But yeah, the TikTok really had my hopes up. So that was disappointment, but you live and you learn. Happy Thursday. I just got done opening my new SKIMS PJs, so I am addicted to these. This is my third pair, but they're just so soft and comfortable. I just can't help myself, and I didn't want to chance them selling out. That's always my excuse. I haven't tried this on yet. I just filmed an unboxing, and look at this cute PR package that Rare Beauty just sent me. I just opened this too, and I did a little video trying some of the mini blushes and highlighters on. I don't own any of the mini highlighters, so I tried one of them for the first time, and they're super subtle unless I applied it wrong. I applied it with a brush. Maybe it would be more pigmented if I blended it in with my fingers. But yeah, the blushes are super pigmented. They're so freaking pretty. How cute is this little bag? It's like a keychain bag. So adorable, right? I blended the liquid highlighter with a brush, and then I blended it in on my nose with my finger. I feel like you could see it better when I blended it with my finger. So I might have to do another video just because it almost looks like there's no difference. This is our picnic setup. Update on the cake, it's actually pretty good. I'm pretty sure I got the buttercream frosting, and then I did vanilla and chocolate in the middle. I'm really glad I got this strawberry filling because it actually makes the cake. It's better than it looks, so I'm happy about that. Happy Sunday. I realized I didn't close my vlog out. Once I set my camera down, there's just no telling when I'm gonna pick it back up again. I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.